Let's look at example 3. Sherry borrows $9,500 to buy a car. She can repay her loan in 2 ways. The interest is compounded monthly. So option A, 36 monthly payments at 6.9% per year, and option B, 60 monthly payments at 8.9% per year. So what is Sherry's monthly payment under each option? So let's look at A. Okay, so we're being asked for monthly payments, so that is R. But now is this a future value or present value? So Sherry borrows $9,500 to buy a car. And as a result of a borrowing payment happening at the moment, it is present value. So R is in question, present value must be given to us. Interest and our end value. So our present value is 9,500. Interest is 6.9 in part A divided by 12, because we know that these are monthly payments. And they tell us that the number of compounding periods is 36. So our formula, PV times I all over 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative n. We substitute our values. Well, let's calculate our interest there. $6.9 divided by 100 divided by 12 is 0.00575. So we'll substitute that in for our interest all over to the power of negative 36. So again, remember to not type this all in on your calculator at once. Follow BEDMAS. So we'll be multiplying the numerator, 9,500 times 0.0575 is 54,625 all over we're going to add our bracket first. So 1.00575. I'm going to go to the exponent of negative 36. So we got 0.8135, keeping 4 decimal places. One subtract 0.8135. So remember, keep your form. Let me write this below. So now we can divide numerator and denominator. So 54.625 divided by 0.1865 is $292.90. So her monthly payment for option A is $292.90. If we calculate for option B, so our payment is in question. PV is still 9,500. Our I changes because now we're looking at part B. So 8.9 over 100 divided by 12 because they're monthly payments. And our N in this one is 60. Substitute in our formula. So 9,500 times Always forget to do this division. 8.9 divided by 100 divided by 12 is 0.00742. All over 1 minus 1 plus our interest to the negative exponent 60. So multiply the top first, so 9,500 times 0.00742. Oh, that was 741. Let me recalculate. Times is 7049. Now when we simplify our bottom, we do the inner bracket first. So that would be 1.00742 to the exponent negative 60, which is 0.6478. Oh, 6418. There we go. Subtract our denominator. And I just divided. And now we can divide both top and bottom. So in option B, her monthly payment would be $196.79. So how much interest does Sherry pay under each option? So that's part B. So knowing our interest formula to calculate our NPV, it's essentially multiplying our monthly payments by the number of compounding periods, and that would be our overall amount that she would have borrowed plus her interest, and then we'd have to subtract it by our initial amount borrowed. So in option A, interest equals R, which we've calculated to be $292.90, times our N value, which is 36, subtract our overall borrowed amount, which was 9,500. So 292.90 times 36 is $10,544.40. So that is the borrowed amount plus the interest. So that's what she would have paid by the end. And then 9,500 was the amount that she had originally borrowed. So if we subtract those two values, we will get our interest being $1,044.40. This is interest. If we calculate for option B, so our monthly payment for option B is $196.79. In this question, we have 60 payments subtracted by our original amount borrowed. So 196.79 times 60. $1,807.40. So by the end of her 2-year loan, she would have paid $11,807.40. And then we would have to subtract by the amount of the original loan. Therefore, her interest paid in option B was $2,307.40. So let's just take a moment to notice a few things. Let's see if I can pull this down so we can have our questions. Awesome. So we notice that in option A, we have 36 months. So our payments are definitely less than in option B, and our interest is less than in option B. But if we notice, our monthly amount is more than option B. And similarly, although we have 60 months, which is more and a higher interest, our payments are lower. And it also translates as a result into our interest. So the less interest we pay and the less time we pay for it, we're paying less interest. Versus in part B, although our interest is more, our monthly payments are smaller, we're overall paying more interest. So if we look at C, give a reason why Sherry might choose each option. So why would one choose option A versus option B? Well, definitely for one, you pay less interest. And if you're able to, you can pay it off in a faster time. So if you can make that monthly payment of $292.90, you'll only be paying this for 36 months. So that would be options for A. So pay less interest. Pay it off faster. And you can make larger monthly payments. So let's look at option B. Why would she want to choose option B? Although the interest is higher and there's more payments, her monthly payment is lower. So that would be the main reason, is that it's more affordable.